Right guys, back again. Simple little job, changing a rear jet, washer jet for a Freelander. It sits up here. Original part from Land Rover, about £9 from Land Rover. See if it'll clip out. These just clip out. Right. That's the old one. It's the filter. That's the new one. The ends break off them. It sits in here. This bit, there's a little clip mark right inside, which is that there. So look for your mark. These clips, sometimes these clips pull out. When you pull them out, if they do, they'll just sit in this metal bit here. So you how to retrieve them. So that bit goes on there. Nice and simple. That bit goes back on there. And that's it guys, all done. The old one, they actually break off at the end, the ends go brittle. That's how the new one fitted. We're going to try it now. So that's it all working now. You'll see in the video it working. Catch you on the next one guys. Cheers, bye.